Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can become a sea turtle on Dress to Impress. And no, you don't need VIP for this, so this is perfect for those of you who don't own VIP. And you are just going to go here, you're going to get this fur coat, and you're going to select this pattern. You're also going to get these fur boots and also set it to this turtle pattern. Then you are going to select this cupcake outfit and you're going to set it all to this pattern. It doesn't really make any difference. Maybe if you'd like to, you can like color the like sprinkles a little bit of this like green, so it looks like different from the like outfit and it gives it like a pop of color. Then you are going to select this I don't know what it's called, but just color it black. Then get this like bandana, and you're actually gonna use the mummy pattern instead. And lastly, I'll just add in some gloves. Also like this one again as a pattern. And if you want to, you can put on shoes, but it's really not that necessary. Once you're done with everything, you do need the troll pose pack. Then you're just going to belly flop it, and it looks like this when you're on the runway. This won't show. I know it looks weird, but I promise you it won't show when you're on the runway, and you can just become a sea turtle, a tortoise, turtle, whatever it's called. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.